Hi guys, today I have OnePlus 12 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, in the first step we must open settings application. In it we tap on connecting and sharing, not connecting and sharing, sorry my bad, mobile network, and there data usage. And now we tap on data usage limit, and there we can set our data mobile limits. First, day when our limits and size start, maybe first day of each month, and okay, there we can set daily data usage limit. We can turn on it and set it in gigabytes, megabyte, maybe we set 700 megabytes, and send alert only on send alert and turn off mobile data. We can set only alert and confirm all by done. And there we have monthly data usage limit. We can tap there, turn on it by switch and enter number of our data limit, and we can set it will be 10 gigabytes maybe. And there we can set also send alert and turn off mobile data limits, and there we can turn on data warming after we used maybe 7.5 gigabytes. And after that we click done and we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.